Welcome back to the Ivono farm. Today I'm taking you through some of our daily poultry practices that keeps our birds strong, healthy and productive. These simple routines help us maintain clean housing, good hygiene and high quality birds ready for the market. We begin with cleaning feeders and waterous. Every morning remove all the feed leftovers, wash the feeders and wipe them dry before refilling. For waterous, we scrape the inside to remove any algae or dirt and rinse them well. Clean waterous help prevent diseases and keep birds hydrated. Next, we work on beddings. We change the sawdust regularly to keep the poultry house dry and comfortable. Using a rake, we clean corners, then add fresh sawdust to maintain a warm, clean environment that reduces ammonia and keep the birds stress-free, controlling the incidence of diseases to our poultry birds, enhancing high production attained. At the Ivono farm, we believe poultry farming is not only farming but it's a business for a sustainable farming agriculture. It invests and means a lot to our farm. It's a business to us. We focus on the marketing part of our poultry birds. At the Ivono farm, we promote our birds through social media, local markets, and direct farm sales. We advertise the health, size, and quality of our birds, and we make sure buyers know they are getting well-managed poultry raised through clean and consistent practices. We also check on the incubator. Here we monitor the temperature, humidity and turning of eggs. A stable incubator ensures high hatchability and strong chicks. We inspect the trays, clean surfaces and make sure system runs smoothly. Water is always available. We refill the drinkers several times a day to keep the birds hydrated, especially during hot hours. Clean fresh water is just as important as feeds. Feeding is a key part of the routine. We provide the feeds depending on the age of the birds. Consistent feeding helps with the fast growth, strong immunity and better production. And that's our routine for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to follow more activities here at the Ivono farm.